Turn on the machine. Confirm whether the air valve is open. Place the turret into the spindle, and be sure to place the turret knife into the spindle. If it is not aligned, you can jog the screen, jog mode, jog the host, and fine-tune the spindle position. Put in the gasket and lock the nut. This screw is used to adjust the amount of paste coming out. This gap faces this axis. Click jog mode. Align the gap end. Put the rubber roller into the roller with the mark facing up. Label installation. Jog mode. Jog the paper library to a position that does not block your hands. Put the paper if one side is high and the other is low. Adjust these two screws. Wipe the sponge bezel with a damp cloth. Make sure it's clean.